I am excited to present to you the new X-Trail and Rogue Hybrid e-Power.
Most popular SUVs, we're making refined, electrified driving more accessible for everyday driving and long journeys.
The global bestseller goes hybrid heavy. Nissan just premiered the 2027 Rogue, known here as the X-Trail, and it's packing a technology that makes the traditional hybrid look prehistoric. This is the e-Power evolution. What makes the 2027 Rogue unique? It's an electric car that runs on gas. Unlike a RAV4 or a CR-V, the gas engine here never touches the wheels. It acts strictly as a high-efficiency generator for the twin electric motors. The result? Instant EV torque 100% of the time without ever needing a charging cable. It's the ultimate no-compromise powertrain for 2027. Nissan is betting big on intelligent power, and after seeing this, the competition should be nervous. The 2027 Nissan Rogue e-Power. Is this the smartest hybrid on the market, or are you waiting for full electric? Let me know your pick in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.